In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your HP LaserJet Tank printer using a smartphone. So the first step is to unbox the printer and we have to load the paper tray. Paper tray is at the bottom, so adjust the size. Place the pages A4 size or letter size. Place the cover, so it should be like this. So once the printer starts, it takes some time and it will automatically go into the setup mode. In the setup mode, you will see the wireless light is flashing. Now go to your smartphone. For example, I'm just going to use my iPhone and open the HP Smart app. You can download that app from the App Store. On the top of the app, click on the plus button. Select Set up a new printer, get started. Select your HP LaserJet Tank printer. On the next page, it displays your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click continue. Press the flashing information button on the printer panel. So that's the I button. Setup is complete. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Continue. Accept all printing services. You can also join HP Plus. It may ask you some additional details, and once you just go through that, you will see your HP LaserJet Tank printer available on the main screen with the estimated level of ink. Now you can start using it for wireless printing. So this way we can do the complete wireless setup of this printer. Thanks for watching.